Good morning to all. This is the fourth lecture on aldehyde, ketones, and carboxylic acid. Today, I am going to explain the preparation of aldehydes from hydrocarbons. First, by oxidation of methyl ketones. Methyl benzene. This is a toluene. Toluene react with chromyl chloride in presence of carbon disulfide. It gives a chromium complex. But how the reaction is taking place is remove the two hydrogen. In the place of two hydrogen, these will substitute two hydrogen here, O, because carbon is connected with oxygen. Because oxygen, it won't connect with chromium because chromium is a positive, carbon also positive, so oxygen should be there here. Oxygen, CrOH, Cl2, whole twice. In the place of two hydrogen, this chromium chromyl chloride is substituted. So this forms a chromium complex. Just acidified hydrolysis, we can get benzaldehyde. This reaction also known as, this reaction is called Etard reaction. ETARD, Etard reaction. This reaction is called a Etard reaction. This is a name reaction. Whenever name reaction comes, you have to be thorough with the name reaction. Here it is converting toluene CH3 to CHO. This conversion also they can ask, how do you convert toluene to benzaldehyde? They may ask conversion. The second one is, this is also going to convert toluene to benzaldehyde. You take a second reaction, you take a toluene, react with chromic oxide CrO3 and acetic anhydride CH3, CH3, acetic anhydride at 273 to 283 Kelvin. It gives benzaldehyde diacetate. A benzene, here CH, CH3, whole twice. What do you call? Benzaldehyde diacetate. Which on acidified hydrolysis and heat it, we'll get it here toluene. We'll get it here benzaldehyde. This is another conversion. The third one is easiest one, that is also convert toluene to benzaldehyde, that is 5 chlorination. Toluene undergo chlorination in presence of sunlight. It gives a, here in the place of two hydrogen, two chlorine will be substituted, CHCl2. That is called a benzyl chloride. here in the place of hydrogen, here chlorine will substitute, and plus 2 hydrochloric acid will be there, that is removed, and then hydrolysis H2O in presence at a temperature 373 Kelvin. Here the OH group will substitute. Here this is an intermediate product will form. This is not shown in the NCERT book. Here CH, OH, here OH. 2 chlorine will substitute. In the place of 2 chlorine, the OH group will be substituted. Hydrogen plus chlorine will go as a hydrogen chloride. So here this is a highly unstable. It gives a benzaldehyde. This is the easiest reaction. This is the easiest reactions. Toluene to benzaldehyde. This is also toluene to benzaldehyde. This is also toluene to benzaldehyde. This is a name reaction, Ettard reaction, by using chromyl chloride. Another one is by using chromic oxide and acetic anhydride, forming a penicillin diacetate form, and then acidified hydrolysis gives benzaldehyde. Here toluene react with chlorine in presence of sunlight, it gives benzol chloride, and then hydrolysis at 373 Kelvin, it gives this compound. In the place of 2 chlorine, the 2 OH group will be substituted, and then this is whenever the carbon having 2 OH group, that is highly unstable, the water molecule will be removed, will get it a benzaldehyde. Another name reaction we are going to study, that is also very important, by Gattermann, G-A-T-T-E-R, Gattermann Koch reaction. This is conversion of benzene. Benzene is treated with carbon monoxide and hydrogen chloride in presence of anhydrous aluminum chloride. Or CuCl, cuprous chloride, followed by hydrolysis, it gives benzaldehyde. This is a benzene to benzene carbaldehyde. This is also named reaction, Gattermann-Koch reaction. The benzene treated with carbon monoxide and hydrogen chloride gas in presence of anhydrous aluminum chloride, it gives a benzaldehyde. This reaction is known as a Gattermann-Koch reaction. Second, now we are going to see that we have seen 4 preparation. One is from toluene to benzaldehyde. 3 reactions we have seen. This is the 4th one, benzene to benzene carbaldehyde. Now we are going to see preparation of ketones from acyl chloride or acid halide. You take RMGX, Grignard reagent, react with Grignard reagent, react with cadmium chloride. It gives dialkyl cadmium, dialkyl cadmium, dialkyl cadmium. This is a dialkyl cadmium. The dialkyl cadmium react with acid chloride or C double bond OCl plus R2 dialkyl cadmium. This dialkyl cadmium, here R dash you can write it, we'll get it R dash COR. Here this cadmium plus chlorine will go as a cadmium chloride. Cadmium chloride will get it here. We'll get it here. Ketones will get it. This is a preparation of ketones from the cadmium chloride. First, cadmium chloride react with Grignard reagent to form a dialkyl cadmium. Dialkyl cadmium react with acid chloride. Acid chloride gives ketones and cadmium chloride. Second preparation from nitriles. From nitriles, take propane nitrile, CH3, CH2, C triple bond N, react with phenyl magnesium bromide, C6H5 MgPr. This is also Grignard reagent. Here it is split up into two. Here positive charge because magnesium is a highly electropositive. Here it will be a negative, partially negative charge phenyl group will get it. Here carbon and nitrogen. Carbon will get positive charge, slightly positive charge. Nitrogen is high electronegative, so it is a negatively charged. The MgBr going to attack nitrogen and this going to attack the carbon. So we'll get it here CH3, CH2, C6H5, double bond N MgPr. This on acidified hydrolysis, it gives here CH3, CH2, C double bond O, C6H5. Because here the oxygen, here H2, so we'll get it here MgBr and NH2. So we'll get it here. This ketone will be obtained. That is a 1-phenyl propanone. 1-phenyl propanone. Next, we are going to see preparation of acetophenone from benzene. This is another preparations from benzene. This is a very simple one we can apply. That is a Friedel-Crafts acylation. Friedel-Crafts acylation. When you take a benzene, react with acid chloride. That is either you take AR or COCl, acid chloride or aryl chloride you take. Acid chloride or aryl chloride you take in presence of acetic anhydride. In presence of anhydrous aluminum chloride, it gives a CO R or AR. This is aryl group, this is a alkyl group. So we'll get it here. Acetophenone or benzophenone, we can get it. This is easy. This is they used to ask in conversion. How do you convert phenol to? How do you convert phenol to acetophenone? COCH3. How do you convert? Conversion. This is for conversion. This is very important reactions as well as name reaction. Also they can ask. How do you convert phenol to acetophenone? First, phenol undergo reaction with zinc dust and heat it. We'll get it here. Benzene. Then benzene react with acid chloride in presence of anhydrous aluminum chloride, AlCl3. It gives a acetophenone. Acetophenone, COCH3. This is the preparation of, that is ketones. Preparation of ketones. Likewise, we can prepare. How do you convert, or how do you conversion? They can ask, how do you convert phenol to toluene? This is the phenol to acetophenone. This is a acetophenone. They may ask question, how do you convert toluene? Here, phenol to toluene. How do you convert? First, phenol converted into phenol with zinc dust and heat it. We'll get it here. Benzene react with methyl chloride in presence of anhydrous AlCl3 or FeCl3. It gives a CH3. This is a toluene. This is not a preparation of ketone, but this will be asked in conversion. How do you convert phenol to toluene? How do you convert phenol to acetophenone? Thank you to all. This was my fourth lecture on aldehydes, ketones and carboxylic acid. I hope you understood. Thank you. Have a nice day.